Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum to Dr. Megat, Dr. Najib and my fellow friends. So now we from Group 1 will present about our project assignment, which the theme is Sustainable Urban Development Project, and our project title is Integrated Urban Solar Power and Green Roof Initiative for Car Parking. Okay, next, before we start presenting about our content, let's meet my team members. So first, myself, Atika Effendi, and then we have Ahmad Muiz, and then Muhammad Firdaus, Muhammad Shazmi, and lastly, Siti Nuran. Okay, so next, I will start my group presentation. Firstly, objective. So about our integrated urban solar power and green roof initiative of car parking. What are the objectives? So firstly, the objective is to focus on renewable energy generation by installing a solar panel on the car parking. So solar panels will be installed on the car park structures to capture clean and renewable energy from the sun. And second objective is to analyze the long-term viability and sustainability of the integrated solar power and the green roof system. This is to ensure the long-term success of the integrated solar power and green roof system by conducting a true economic analysis, and this assessment will examine a financial aspect to guarantee the initiative viability and sustainability over the time. And lastly, the objective is to improve energy efficiency and cost saving by utilizing solar energy for lighting, surveillance system, and other electrical requirements. This initiative aims to decrease the car park dependence on grid-based electricity. So the shift towards solar power not only to promote sustainability but also result in tangible cost saving on energy bills and contributing to both environmental and economic benefits for the car park. Okay, so next is the methodology. So what are the methodology that we use to success this project research? So we have used 4 methodology. So this is the first two. First is a preliminary research. So in this research, we involve an in-depth exploration of existing literature review on integrated solar power and green roof initiative. So by reviewing some past project and relevant academic studies, my research team gains valuable insight into the technical, economic, and social aspect for this project. So this foundational knowledge serves as a crucial starting point for informed decision making throughout the subsequent stage for this project, and ensuring a comprehensive understanding of successful strategies and potential challenge. And then a second methodology is economic analysis. So this analysis phase is dedicated to assessing the financial aspect of the integrated urban solar power and green roof initiative, and it involves a meticulous examination of costs associated with technology procurement, installation, and ongoing maintenance against the project saving and benefits. So by calculating the return on investment and considering long-term financial sustainability, this analysis provides a critical framework for decision makers to evaluate the initiative economic feasibility and guide strategic planning. Okay, so next is the third methodology, which is data collection and analysis. It involves systematically gathering and interpreting information to evaluate the project performance. This includes tracking costs associated with the implementation and ongoing maintenance of solar power and green roof system, and the analysis encompasses a comprehensive cost-benefit assessment comparing the initial investment with accrued benefits over time, with a specific focus on quantifying cost saving from reduced reliance on grid-based electricity. So additionally, these phase involve comparing the cost per unit of energy generated by the solar panels with the conventional electricity costs and providing insight into the economic efficiency of the renewable energy sources. And the last methodology is documentation and reporting. So this include compiling the result, creating tables for the clear data representation, and integrating diverse data sets that summarize calculation used to derive key metrics, and preparing a detailed report outlining the project life cycle. So this include methodology, challenges, and recommendation. The report serves as a comprehensive narrative context the significance of key findings in relation to project objective. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello. My name is Muhammad Firas bin Abu Bakar, and I will present about the benefits. Okay. For the benefits is the car park solar and green roof initiative aim to make urban parking space eco-friendly by installing solar panels for clean energy and implementing green routes to cool the environment. The project enchants the car park's appearance and engage the community through education initiative, fostering suitable sustainable practices and reduce the carbon footprint. Overall, it contributes to a healthier and more environment conclusion urban environment. Okay, so the benefit is the first is renewable energy generation. So it harness solar power to reduce the resistance of conventional energy source. Second is urban heat island mitigation. So it implement green roof to create cool micro microclimates and combat the urban heat island effects. Okay, and the last is biodiversity adjustment and community engagement. Foster diversity through native plant native plant species on green roof and engage the community to sustainable practice contributing to a healthier urban ecosystem. Okay, that is all from me for this part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. My name is Ahmad Musakim. I will be presenting on the disbenefits of our project. So when it comes to disbenefits, there are two main concerns. The first is the cost of expansion. The project expansion for future proofing, for example, taking 30% expansion, can be extremely costly. It can cost all the way up to 369,000 ringgit extra, not including the possible rise in electricity bills. For the second concerns is the displacement. It may raise ethical concerns that such a project may displace or even threaten the livelihood of current existing communities.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Suzmi. I will explain about project costs. First is cost construction. Our cost construction is included in land, engineering, local authority approval, construct labor costs, construction equipment, raw material, external works, fire hydrant, structure, roof, and fence. The total cost of construction cost is 345,000 ringgit. Next is installation costs. First is electricity for wiring. Second is watering, piping, and pump. The total of installation cost is 12,500 ringgit. Next is after construction costs. First is lighting, solar panel for 40 kilowatts, solar inverter, battery, electricity vehicle charger 22 kilowatts, CCTV, software, and computer, monitor, labor cost, and maintenance costs for 10 years. After construction cost is about 207,500 ringgit. To calculate initial cost is a construction cost plus installation cost plus after construction cost. So the total of initial cost is a 562,000 ringgit. For operation cost is we use that is direct labor, electricity bills, utilities and overheads. The total cost is about 246,052 ringgit. Next, I will talk about monetary valuations. First is for price for per hour for parking slots. For half of during the day, we assume about we have fully uh, parking has been occupants, and for nights only about less than half only that have occupancy. So the average daily revenue will be about 1,800 ringgit. Next is the electric car charging service. This is, we only give some assumption about only one car only need about 15 kilowatt to charge their car to 75 kilowatt to charge their car fully. So assumption of total daily average revenue for electric car charging service is about 300 ringgit per day. Next, we will calculate uh, about monthly income. Monthly income about one one average daily revenue parking for parking slot and plus average daily revenue electric car charging service times 30 days. So monthly income is about 63,000 ringgit. First is next is benefits. Benefit from savings from solar panels. With solar panel, we can generate about 40 eh, about 4k kilowatt, and we assume about average usage of our parking slot is about 5 kilowatt. So electric bill will be about 452 ringgit and 70 cents. If we only conversion electricity only, still same usage will be about 50 kilowatt, but the bill will be 2,736 ringgit and 70 cents. So from this solar panel, we can save about 2,284 ringgit. So totally benefit for monthly is we have income, electricity bill saved from solar, and totally monthly is about 65,284 ringgit. For annual total benefits is about 783,408 ringgit. For this benefits is we have before construction costs, after construction costs, and electricity bills. The total is about three 368,787 ringgit and 60 cents.
And now let's see the cost analysis. For a land with width of um, 1,770 meters square, you can accommodate 35 units car park with two slot render and electric car charging. Here, we can see that the total of benefit cost from a solar panel that saving 7 783,408, while this benefit cost from overall construction and electricity bills is 368,787 ringgit. The initial spending cost is about 562,000 for an estimation lifespan of 25 years with interest rate of 5%. Now we calculate the conversion ratio of this project. By referring the price list above, the ratio is estimated at 1.5. So we can see that this project is justified. And now let's see the recommendation for this project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad and I will talk about the project accommodation. So we have some recommendation that we have discussed, and uh, the one that we are doing, and these three that I have prepared. So the first one is community solar power hub. So community solar power hub is we need to establish a community based on solar power hub and allow residents to collectively invest in and benefit the solar energy, and we will install the panel, and uh, we it will open a space to generate clean energy for local use and anything, and it will reduce the overall carbon footprint. And the last one is engage the community through education and program on renewable energy. Okay. The second project recommendation is smart waste management system. So for smart waste management system, we will implement a smart waste management system used by IoT, Internet of Things, the device and sensor to optimize the waste collection routine and schedule. Uh, then we will integrate the technology to monitor waste level in the bin, enabling efficient and timely pickup, reducing the operational cost and minimize the environment impact. And the last one is education. Uh, educate educate the community on waste reduction, recycle, and importance. That is what the point for the second recommendation. For the last recommendation project is urban green and vertical garden. So for this project, is about develop a project focused on urban green by installing vertical garden on buildings and public space. Then we change the air quality. It will change the air quality, reduce the urban heat island effect, and promote biodiversity by incorporating native plant and vegetation. The last one is it involve local resident in the maintenance and care of the green space, fostering a sense of community on shipping and environmental stewardship. That is for the third recommendation. So, for our project, we have picked our project because it's quite simple. Because it's about um, solar panel and about a parking system that maybe our country needed, and also it is uh, very good for the environment and reduce the wasted that we have been doing on long. Okay, that's all what I will talk about this part. Thank you.
All right, so for the final part, which is the conclusion, In summary, the Integrated Urban Solar Power and Grief Roof Initiative for car park is a promising endeavor that requires a careful consideration of its economic, social, and also the environmental aspects. By implementing the recommended strategies and continuously monitoring and adapting changing conditions, the project has the potential to serve as a model for sustainable urban development, fostering a balance between technological innovation, community engagement, and also environmental responsibility. That is all from our group. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.